Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS Grid tutorial on freeCodeCamp. And we're going to learn about using the repeat function inside of the property grid template columns and grid template rows. So previously, when we made grid template columns, we talked about how each parameter is the size of the column, and you just specify how many you want it, and specify how many columns you want with the value of the width of each column. But we can write a function for this to make it easier. If we have more than 3 columns, we have 100 columns, like they say here, using this repeat function. So how the repeat function looks is that it takes in the first parameter is how many times you repeat it, and then the next parameter is the values that you want it to be repeated. So this one you repeat 100 times a 50 pixel row. That's going to be a row 50 pixels, a row that's going to be 50 pixels tall for these row. And here's another example where you're going to repeat 2 with the columns of 1 fraction and 50 pixels. And then after that, there's a column that's 20 pixels. So we can do this here in this exercise by is asking us to remove the grid template columns and use the repeat instead. So we wanted to repeat 3 times over 1 FR. So we write in the function repeat, and we do it 3 times, comma, and then 1 FR. And then it's back to how it was. And it's just a more simple way of writing it using a function. And that'll be it. Thank you so much.